Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest auto repair shop products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best auto repair shop of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name, Fluke Networks Junior LEV 2 Jackrapid Punch Down Tool. The Fluke Networks Junior LEV 2 Jackrapid Punch Down Tool is a specialized tool designed for the efficient termination of network cables. Specifically tailored for use with Leviton's series of jacks, including the 61110, 5G110, and 6110G models, this tool streamlines the process of network installation by incorporating several key features. Speed and efficiency. The Jackrapid tool allows for the simultaneous termination of all 8 wires in a network cable, significantly reducing the time required for installation compared to traditional punch-down tools which terminate 1 wire at a time. Precision and reliability. It ensures precise, consistent terminations, which helps maintain the integrity of the network connection. This reduces the likelihood of errors that could lead to network failures or the need for rework. Ergonomic design. The tool is designed for ease of use, with an ergonomic handle that reduces hand fatigue during repetitive use. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who perform numerous terminations in a single day. Compatibility. The Junior LEV 2 model is specifically compatible with Leviton 61110, 5G110, and 6110G jacks. This specificity ensures that the tool fits these jack models perfectly, facilitating a secure and efficient termination process. Product 2. Product name Rain-X 600001 Windshield Repair Kit. The Rain-X 600001 Windshield Repair Kit is a convenient and efficient solution designed to address minor windshield damage, such as small chips and cracks. This kit utilizes a durable resin-based formula that effectively fills and seals the damaged areas, restoring the windshield's structural integrity and clarity. It is particularly suitable for round damage that is less than 1 inch in diameter and for cracks that are smaller than 12 inches in length. The repair process is straightforward and can be done quickly, making it an ideal choice for car owners looking to fix minor windshield issues without the need for professional assistance. Product 3. Product name Viver Mop-Horn Tire Mount Demount Tool. The Viver Mop-Horn Tire Mount Demount Tool is designed to facilitate the manual changing of tires, specifically for tubeless truck tires ranging from 22.5 to 24.5 inches in size. Constructed from durable steel, this tire changer is robust and capable of handling the demands of professional car repairing and maintenance tasks. The tool is engineered to simplify the tire mounting and demounting process, making it easier and more efficient for users to work on large truck tires without the need for more complex and expensive machinery. Key features of the Viver Mop-Horn Tire Mount Demount Tool include versatility, capable of handling a range of tire sizes, 22.5 inch to 24.5. It caters to various truck tire specifications, making it a versatile tool for mechanics and repair shops. Durability, made from high-quality steel, the tool ensures longevity and reliability under heavy use, a crucial factor for professional environments. Efficiency, designed to break beads and remove tires efficiently, it reduces the physical effort and time required compared to manual methods, improving productivity. Product 4. Product name OTC 1022 2-ton Reversible Jaw Grip-O-Matic. The OTC 1022 2-ton Reversible Jaw Grip-O-Matic puller is a specialized mechanical tool designed for professional use in various mechanical and automotive applications. As a part of their Grip-O-Matic series, this puller is known for its reliability and versatility, capable of exerting a pulling force of up to 2 tons. Key features of the OTC 1022 include its reversible jaws, which allow for flexibility in gripping either the inside or outside of the object being pulled. This dual capability makes it ideal for tasks such as removing gears, bearings, pulleys, and other press-fit parts from shafts. The puller's mechanical design ensures a secure grip, reducing the risk of slipping or damaging the component being worked on. The 2-jaw configuration of the OTC 1022 provides a balanced and stable pulling action, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of delicate components. The tool is constructed with high quality. Product 5. Product name Bilotools Harmonic Balancer Puller Set. The Bilotools Harmonic Balancer Puller Set is a specialized tool designed for the efficient removal of harmonic balancer pulleys, commonly found in various vehicle engines. This adjustable 3-jaw puller set is particularly compatible with models from manufacturers such as Chevy, GM, and Chrysler, among others. Key features and functionality. Adjustable 3-jaw puller. The puller set features 3 adjustable jaws, allowing it to securely grip harmonic balancers of various sizes and shapes. This adaptability makes it versatile for use with different engine types and configurations. Compatibility. Specifically engineered to be compatible with a range of vehicles, including those from Chevy, GM, and Chrysler, the Bilotools set is suitable for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts working on multiple car brands. Durability and strength. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Bilotools Harmonic Balancer Puller Set is built to withstand the high forces required to remove stubborn pulleys. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Applications. The harmonic balancer, or damper pulley, is a critical component in an engine, helping to reduce vibrations and ensure smooth operation. Over time, these pulleys may need to be removed for maintenance, replacement, or repair. The Bilotools Harmonic Balancer Puller Set is an essential tool for this task, providing a safe and efficient method to extract the pulley without causing harm to the engine. Product 6. Product name Bilotools 2-piece coil spring compressor. The Bilotools 2-piece coil spring compressor is a robust and reliable tool designed specifically for compressing coil springs on MacPherson strut assemblies. This heavy-duty compressor set is essential for anyone working on vehicle suspension systems, whether for maintenance, repair, or upgrade purposes. Key features. Heavy-duty construction. The tool is engineered to handle significant force, boasting a maximum load capacity of 2,645 pounds. This ensures it can manage even the most challenging spring compression tasks with ease. Safety jaws and holder. Safety is a paramount concern when dealing with high-tension springs. The Bilotools compressor features specially designed safety jaws and a holder, which secure the spring firmly in place during compression. This minimizes the risk of accidental release, enhancing user safety. Versatile application. While it is tailored for MacPherson struts, the Bilotools compressor can be used on a variety of coil springs, making it a versatile addition to any mechanic's toolkit. Product 7. Product name Orion Motor Tech Spring Compressor. The Orion Motor Tech Spring Compressor is a specialized tool designed for compressing coil springs, specifically the MacPherson strut springs commonly found in many vehicles. This tool is essential for mechanics and automotive enthusiasts who need to safely and efficiently compress the springs during suspension repairs or upgrades. Applications. The Orion Motor Tech Spring Compressor is particularly useful for tasks such as replacing strut assemblies, changing shock absorbers, performing suspension repairs or upgrades.